color also. This video, we're just going to do a quick square. I just taught you guys how to do the double crochet, and we got to learn how to turn our work. Okay, so now we're going to go up three chains. 1, 2, 3. We went up 3 chains. Want me to do it again for you guys? Alrighty, just for you. Ready? 2, 1. That's 3 chains. She's on the scratching her nails. She's, oh my God, I'll tell you about this cat in a minute. Turn your work around. I didn't do anything special. Hold on to your work. Don't take the needle out. Just spin your work around. Now, there's so many ways we can do this, but we're going to start right here. You're going to go in this hole, okay? We're going to go in the first hole you see. Bam. We're going to go under all of these holes. There's also a technique. It's called the rib. Am I saying it right? Where we go, see, it's like a braid. Can you see? It looks like a braid, right? But we go into the back of the braid of each one and we just lift it. When I get to the third row, this is the first row, we're making the second one. When I get to the third row, I'll show you that. Or should I say, no, you know what? I'll save that for another video because I want you guys to come back. If I show you everything on the first video, you're never going to come back. Okay, so let me stop talking and let's get back to work. All right, so we went up 3, we turned our work. We're going to go in through the first hole. So we're going to do like we started the other one. We're going to go under, go down into that first hole, pull your work through the first hole, back to 3 on the needle. Go through 2, through 1, back again. Let's see, I'm just going to speed it up for you guys. If you're not getting it, let me know. And by the way, did I even ask you guys how you're doing today? I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I do have manners. Oh, what happened just now? I never took the yarn out of the little tube that they put it in. So I'm pulling it like there's 2 ways to, I'll tell you about that in a second. Let me stay on because I will go somewhere else. I will go somewhere else real fast on you guys. And you're like, wait a minute, did she just turn the channel on her brain? What station is she on? Wait a minute, so we're gonna go right back to what we were doing. Go through, pull 3 on the needle, 2 on the needle, now 1 on the needle. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Glass hole. Remember, we did 10 on a chain. 2, 1. Boom. These are called double crochets. Next video, I'll show you about one crochet. The single crochet, and I'll teach you guys how to do the rib, and I'll also teach you guys how to change your color. Let me show you. If I told you what I used to do, you could be like, oh my goodness, but it made sense to me. Okay, so we did 2. It looks like a braid, doesn't it? It's so pretty. Now look at our original chain. It's just twisted at the bottom. Looks like a little twist, but the top looks like a little braid. Okay, so we're gonna do what we just did. We turned our work. We're gonna go up 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Right back at left to right, left to right. This is all this is, left to right. Loop it. Go through that first hole, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, huh? I'm crazy, I'm trying to tell you guys. Okay, we're only going to do 3 rows today. We're on our 3rd row. The next video will be the single crochet. The next video after that will be the rib crochet. It just reminds you of, it's like it's lifted. These are flat, and I'm also going to, now I showed you guys my needles. I don't have a lot of needles. I really need to get into, oh my God, they have needles with beautiful handles. Have you ever looked? Oh my goodness. Please look. I need to get it together, okay? I really needed to get it together. Okay, look at that. That's a square or rectangle. Go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Look how we doing it. We are doing it. Do it again. Now, like I said, if you guys have not gotten it, I'm sure you didn't, or just felt a rhythm, a flow of it, and you need me to do it again, do it with a different colored yarn, do it with a different hook. Maybe you guys want me to zoom the camera in a different way, just let me know down in the comment section. You know, now that I finish this one, I'm going to finish what I was telling you about what I didn't do with the yarn. I wish I had an example right here in front of me, but I can easily just show you guys what I meant. I'm sorry, I'm messing up myself. Now I'm gonna teach you something, but hey, we're human, right? Wham! Double crochet. Isn't it pretty? Now, also, when you're, where's my needle? I didn't bring the needle in here because this is a technique to tuck your finished yarn, your finished work. You just basically make one loop, knot it, knot the end, but then you take a needle. Did I bring any needles in here with me? I do have a needle. Needles come in all different types, like example, you have this kind of needle. I like these for bigger projects, thicker different yarns. I'll show you a thicker yarn, the blanket yarn by Barnett. And you have these. Now this right here gives me a headache. Can you see? No, you can't really see. I'm sorry. But yeah, it gives me a headache because the hole is so small. And I have to tuck in both ends. It's so small. What you do is I always just try to twist the yarn really tight. Try to thread the yarn through the needle. Oh, God. Can somebody help me? Because these nails, I can't even do it on a video. Let me use the bigger one because I don't want to embarrass myself. I'm going to teach somebody something and I can't get it. Wait a minute. I done messed up. I done messed up the money. Okay. All right, here we go. It's through. Now we just thread through your work. Okay, thread through your work. I'm just going to do this really quick. This is how you tuck your yarn. See, nobody can really see it. Now you just go back up opposite. This is a big needle. Maybe I shouldn't have used this one, but I just wanted to show you guys something really fast. Okay, take your scissors. That's how you're supposed to do it. Man, I don't even want to tell you what I used to do, but I'm sure my people that I made my blankets for Christmas and when I first started, they know. They definitely know for sure. Okay, now what I was going to tell you about the yarn while it pulled. Normally, yarn has two ways to pull your thread. I like to pull it from the middle. You know, it doesn't get tangled. It comes out easy. You know, and there's another way. You can take it from a top piece like this. It comes from up underneath the wrapper. Now this I hate because you're pulling and as you're pulling it, see this is saying it's just no, it's a no, not for me. And you can always just take your yarn and start like this and just wrap it around your fingers, making a ball of it. Fold that, go this way, fold that, pull some more out, building a ball. It makes it easier to crochet. you know. See, we have a little ball we started, and it will turn into a nice, I love it, a nice, big, pretty ball of yarn. Okay, you guys, so here's my face in the place. Can you see me? Wait a minute. Give me 1 second here, because I have to hold the camera today. You know? Okay, so this is me today. And I wanted to thank you guys for being patient with me and watching this video and try to learn along with me, because I'm still learning myself. Crocheting to me has been a way to relieve stress and I just zone out. I love it. I love it. When I'm down, I crochet. It takes so much off me. It's like my therapy. You know, when I'm happy, I crochet better when I'm happy. And I really love it. I think you guys should just, you know, try it. See if crocheting is for you. See if knitting is for you. If it's not, then it's not. You know, one of my girlfriends was like, well, I don't want to knit. I just want to know how to knit. Crochet. And I get that. I really do get it, because I'm one of those type of people too. I might not want it, but I want that skill under my belt. And, you know, you make such pretty things out of it. Like, you can just take this yarn, this thing of yarn, and just make a beautiful blanket, booties for a baby, bathing suit. Like, I mean, there's so many things that this yarn, just yarn, can make with. Just need your hands in the needle and your mind on it. I'm going to wrap this up, because like I said, I am a rambler. But I will be back. In our next video, we will do just a plain crochet, and I will teach you guys how to change your colors. Like I said before, and I said before, and I said before, if it's anything that you wanted me to do, change colors, change needle, position the camera totally different, talk about something else, let me know down in the comment section. Be great. Have a blessed day. Love you, my busy bees.